I'm a miner. I dig holes for a living. Dig is generous, really. What I do is drill, charge, blast, then shovel the mess out so we can go deeper. Loud, dirty, dangerous, but honest. There's a rhythm to it, a logic, until the day the mine broke rhythm. The mine is called Kalgara Deep, buried under the scorched hills of Western Australia. 3 hours from the nearest servo, 6 from anything you'd call a town. Above ground, red dirt, ghost gums, heat that feels personal. Below, another world. Black, pressurized. Breathing, the decline corkscrews down like it's trying to escape the surface. Levels branch off like arteries. And the rock watches. Miners don't talk about it much, but we all feel it. The weight. The way the walls creak when no one's drilling. You reckon, if we keep going down, we'll pop out in China. We'll hit hell first. He laughed, then quieter. You ever think we're not meant to be down here? That should have been my warning. It wasn't a rumble. The ground lurched, like something massive rolling over in its sleep. Lights flickered. Vent fans dipped in pitch like they were choking. Dust poured from the backs. I didn't wait for the second tremor. I'm heading to the refuge chamber. Refuge chambers are metal coffins with air. 4 meters wide. No windows, no clocks, scratched initials on the walls. Tally marks, a heart carved into steel, M+C, 2021. People had waited here before. I sat, counted supplies. Then I realized something. This place remembered them. Time stretched. 10 minutes felt like hours. I started talking to myself. A miner's trick? Then the mine answered, not shaking, breathing. Warm air moved across my boots. Not from the scrubber, from the rock. I pressed my hand to the wall. It pulsed once. Tap. Sharp. Deliberate. Outside the chamber. Primera fros. E. Tap, tap, tap. Knuckles on metal. Chamber 5. Anyone there? Static. Silence. Then footsteps. Not boots. Bare feet on stone. Slow. Close. You came too deep. The door wasn't blown open. It was gone. Solid rock replaced it. Seamless. Faces pressed through the stone. Fossils trying to wake up. One looked like Davy. One looked like my father. One looked like me. The mine remembers everything you bury. My mistakes, my shortcuts, my silence. Preserved in stone. Do you want out? I didn't answer. Dig. They rescued me hours later. Collapsed haulage drive. Some didn't make it. They found Davy's helmet. Nothing else? They didn't mention the tapping. Neither did I. I'm back on shift now. Same mine. Same silence. And sometimes, when the drills stop, I swear I hear it again.